Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 4th, our word of the day is bedaub. B-E-D-A-U-B. Bedaub. Bedaub is a 6-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Bedaub means to cover something very roughly with something sticky or dirty. Similar words include anoint, besmear, daub, smirch, smudge, soil, spread, stain, sully. Examples of sentences using bedaub are: the hunter bedaubed himself with mud as a form of camouflage. The child's face was bedaubed with chocolate. They bedaubed the inner city walls with graffiti. Her neck was bedaubed with a cheap necklace. The most solemn of their rites, natives bedaubed themselves with red clay. The toddler delightedly bedaubed herself with her mother's makeup. Make sure to save this new word, bedaub, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!